QF4-1, power up!
Quarterfinal 4 here at the Central New York Regional. Final match here in round 1 of the quarterfinals. A quick dump-off delivery from the Red Alliance. Blue trying to make it happen with the Rocketeers, but it is the Hype Machine who will get there first. Both switches in ownership of their alliances. Red has a slight advantage with ownership of the scale as drivers take control here in quarterfinal 4. Two Red Machines going for the scale early on. It's a pileup of Red Machines on the far side of the arcade. Team number 20 deposits their delivery onto the scale, and they're going to be joined by their Circuit Stomper teammates as that starts to even the scale, but it's not enough. Here comes Big Bad Bob from New Hampshire, adding some security over on the red side. Two blue machines, check that, one red and one blue. 145 running the power cubes into the switch. The team from Norwich adding some security onto the blue side of the switch. Red still with ownership of our centerpiece here, the scale. 137 to 177 with just under a minute and a half left in play. 52-54 collecting on the far side. The Hype Machine running a cycle over to the front side of the arcade into their opponent's switch. They drop it early and will have to recollect. Power up, Blue Alliance. They use a level 2 force, bringing the scale over into possession of blue. They're cutting the deficit now, 175 to 145 with just over 1 minute left in play. Big Bad Bob running the cubes into the exchange, 52-54, knocking a cube off the scale as they go back to recollect. Pile up front side of the arcade, 145, the T-Rex Machine trying to get into position to maybe tip the scale back in favor of blue as Red uses their Levitate power up. Just over a half a minute left in play. Team Hype adding more red cubes onto the scale. 20 and Norwich going back to back, seeing if they can change that. Endgame as Red Alliance uses a level 3 boost, boosting both the points on the scale and their switch as they extend their lead. 349 to 257. Now it's Blue's turn. Level 3 boost, boosting only the switch unless they can get this scale in possession. 12 seconds left in quarterfinal match number 4. Team Hype is on their way up. The Circuit Stompers are airborne, and it's 3, 2, 1. Quarterfinal 4 will go to Red. The score, 431 to 321. The number 3 seeded Alliance in Red will go up one game here in the quarterfinals. Coming up next, quarterfinal match number 5.